കൂട്ടുകാരെ, അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് പഠിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് 6th സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡിലെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിലെ യൂണിറ്റ് 1 ആയ റെയിൻ ഓഫ് ലവ് ആണ് പഠിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസസ് ആണ് നമ്മളിന്ന് നോക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഇത് ലൈഫ് വിത്ത് ഗ്രാൻഡ് ഫാദറിൻ്റെയാണ് ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസസ് ഒക്കെ. Do you think Raja's grandfather was a man respected by everyone? Pick out sentences from the story to justify your answer. Answer: yes, the sentences people respected him, they came to him for advice and help, justify that grandfather was a man respected by everyone. What will you feel if somebody insists you to do something? Answer: if somebody insists me to do something, I will feel angry or irritated. Who helps you in your family when you are in trouble? Answer: whenever I am in trouble, my mother, my father, my brother, my sister or my uncle will help me. കൂട്ടുകാർക്ക് പ്രശ്നം വരുമ്പോൾ ആരെ സഹായിക്കുന്നത്? അവരുടെ പേര് എഴുതും. We saw many things around Raja's house. List them out. Answer: coconut tree, mango tree, birds, butterflies, fish tanks, etc. What brings more color to Raja's life? Answer: playing with the calves, watching the birds in the garden, looking jackals coming out of the grove, running after mongooses and catching butterflies and reptiles bring more color to Raja's life. Who do you like to play with at home? Answer: I like to play with my brother or sister. What was the reaction of the grandfather when he was soaked in the shower? Answer: grandfather became angry when he was soaked in the rain. Why did Raja select the loaf in the cowshed as his hiding place? Answer: Raja selected the loaf in the cowshed as his hiding place because he could see everyone from there and no one could see him. Grandmother was extremely worried when he knew that Raja was missing. Pick out the sentences from the passage which convey this idea. Answer: when I did not turn up, she looked for me everywhere in the house. Then she came out and called aloud for me, thinking that I was somewhere in the garden. Grandmother felt angry with grandfather. Do you support the grandmother? Why? Answer: yes, grandfather was very angry when the boys took the sandalwood tree to make shower. It is because the boy went away from there when grandfather shouted at him. Why did grandfather lose his temper? Answer: grandfather lost his temper because all the neighbors and relatives were showing sympathy to grandmother. Where might the people have searched for Raja? Why could not they find him? Answer. The people might have searched Raja in the fields, neighboring houses, etc. They could not find him because he was hiding in the loft of the cowshed. I wanted to came out. What prevented Raja from coming out? Answer. The fear of being beaten prevented Raja from coming out. What would Raja say to his grandfather when he returned home? Answer. Raja would say sorry to his grandfather.